Good morning. Welcome to Dolphin Daybreak News. Today is Tuesday, February the 23rd, 2021. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please observe a moment of silence. Here are today's announcements. And here are your answers to your Mystery Math Monday problems. The apple equals 4, so apple plus 2 equals banana. So that would be 4 plus 2, and that equals 6. So your bottom problem, the banana, which would be 6, plus the apple, which would be 4, 6 plus 4 equals 10. To solve this problem of what number fits into the last triangle, you take the top number, multiply it by your lower left number, and then subtract the lower right number. So in your last triangle, 3 times 4 is 12 minus 7. That last number should be 5 filled in. It's time for Two Book Tuesday. Our 2 books for Two Book Tuesday focus on mathematics today. The first one, The Lost Key from the Manga Mystery series. Joy, Adam, Sam, and Amy are surprised when the key to their kung fu school is stolen, as well as all of their gear. Now they'll have to use all kinds of calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to figure out the clues, follow the thieves, and find the lost key. Read The Lost Key to find out if they are successful. You may have heard of the historic Apollo 13 moon landing, but do you know about the mathematical genius who made sure that Apollo 13 returned home safely? Read Counting on Catherine to meet this historical genius and to read about her early childhood and the enormous contributions she made to history. And now for a moment in Black history that goes right along with our Two Book Tuesday Counting on Catherine. Meet Katherine Johnson. From a very early age, Katherine loved to count. She always wanted to know as much as she could about numbers, about the universe, about everything really. She was very smart. So smart, in fact, she skipped 3 whole grades. By the time she turned 10, Katherine was ready for high school, but back then, schools were segregated or separated. Her father worked very hard to save enough money to move the family to a place that had a high school for Black children, so Katherine could continue to learn. She graduated and became a teacher. Katherine later learned about mathematician jobs and applied. She was eventually hired at NASA. Her work included figuring out the difficult calculations needed for spaceflight. One of her biggest accomplishments at NASA was helping calculate the path of the country's first human spaceflight in 1961, making sure astronaut Alan B. Shepard Jr. had a safe trip. A year later, she helped figure out John Glenn's orbit of the planet, another American first. In 1969, she calculated the path of Neil Armstrong's historic mission to the moon on Apollo 11. Katherine Johnson passed away just about a year ago on February 24, 2020, at the age of 101 years old. Attention students, this is the last week for the PTA Stress-Free Fundraiser, so please remind parents that those forms are due this Friday. Happy birthday to Terrence in Mrs. Kennedy's class. Terrence, we hope you enjoy your very special day. Happy birthday. That's all the news for today. Remember, be safe, be respectful, and be responsible. Have a great day of learning.